These foreign nationals were rounded up over the weekend in a joint operation by the National Bureau of Investigation, the Anti-Organized Crime Commission, military intelligence, and immigration authorities at the Tourist Garden Hotel in Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. Recruited through Facebook, one Indonesian said they were promised work at a restaurant but ended up doing online scam. Their passports were confiscated and they weren't allowed to leave the premises.
Are not allowed to leave?
Because penalty.
We cannot get out.
A penalty, you'll be penalized. How much is the penalty?
I don't know, you can...
If you want to leave, you pay $2,000.
Yes. Yes.
Obviously, wala silang pinapakita mga dokumento, passports and other documents to justify yung stay nila dito sa Pogo Hub na ito.
More than 160 foreigners were working in the scam hub when authorities swooped in on the establishment.
We have caught them in flagrante delicto in the conduct of the scamming activities.
PAOK says the resort is owned by a certain Zhao Lao. The operation was launched following a request from Indonesia to rescue its citizens forced to work as scammers in Lapu-Lapu. After being turned over to the Social Welfare Department, the rescued Indonesians will be flown to Jakarta from Manila.
Sa kabila ng panawagan ng Pangulo sa mga LGUs na maging mas paigtingin yung kanilang trabaho laban sa ganitong mga kalokohan, ibang mga LGUs mukhang nagbubulag-bulagan o nagbibingi-bingihan. Siguro naman imposibleng hindi alam ito ng LGU.
According to PAOK, the Pogo has been operating in the city for some time now, but the mayor says he's unaware of it.
Ngayon na namin nalaman na merong ganito, no? Merong nag-a-apply sa amin for legal Pogo. Yung nasa City Times Square po, when they ban all the Pogos, pinastop na yung processing ng applications.
In his third State of the Nation address, President Bongbong Marcos announced a total ban on Pogos due to numerous criminal activities being linked to the industry. The crackdown has led to several closures in Luzon, but it appears the battleground has shifted to other areas.
Meron na tayong mga ini-interview na admin sila dun sa Porac Pogo Hub, and now dito natin sila nakuha sa Pogo Hub dito sa Cebu.
Nancy Carvajal, BNC.